how to invest in S&P 500 index funds in Australia. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to invest in S&P 500 index funds in Australia. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, you'll need an account with a brokerage that offers access to US markets and S&P 500 index funds or ETFs. Popular Australian brokers include Concept, Self-Wealth, IG Markets, Saxo Capital Markets. This usually involves providing personal identification, tax information, and linking to a bank account. Transfer money into your brokerage account. Some brokers may allow you to hold funds in AUD, while others might require a conversion to USD for US stock purchases. Be aware of the exchange rate and any fees for converting the AUD to USD, as this can affect your investment amount. You can place an order to buy shares in your chosen ETF or fund through your brokerage platform. You may choose a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to specify a price. Decide how much you want to invest, keeping in mind any minimum investment requirements and brokerage fees. Be aware of the tax implications of investing in US funds, including foreign income tax on dividends. In Australia, dividends from US ETFs might be subject to US withholding tax, which can often be offset against your Australian tax liability. You may need to fill out a W-8 Ben form to reduce withholding tax rates on US dividends. So that's how to invest in S&P 500 index funds in Australia. That's all for this video.